My name is Ali Huttunen. I'm the head of rolling stock at Tampere Tramway Limited. We are looking for the partners to join our new innovation environment, TERMS. TERMS stands for Tampere Urban Rail Mobility Services. TERMS is a testbed and living lab arrangement which provides unique research, development and innovation environment. Testbed contains a real tram car and the entire tramway system built in Tampere. It's enriched by Living Lab ICT and co-creational tools. Tampere Tramway Limited is the host organization of TERMS. TERMS is important for the city of Tampere as a Mobility 2.0 forerunner. We are developing the next generation transport concepts. The aim is to increase the competitiveness of public transport. TERMS is working with both individual business and the academy. Joining the smart rail ecosystem around TERMS, you can get new business and co-creation opportunities. TERMS offers access to a real-world operational tram environment and to the whole city of Tampere. TERMS offers testbed environment and living lab facilities. We already have nearly 20 committed parties from smart rail ecosystem joining TERMS and utilizing it for their purposes. There is room for new players who want to join the group and benefit from the operational real-world context and living lab facilities in their development, testing and promotion.